Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to give you another awesome review. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of different products that I think are kind of helpful and useful and things that I like. So be sure to hit the like button, feel free to comment, I do respond back, and of course, most importantly, hit that subscribe button. So today, I wanted a dash cam. You know, you always see those YouTube videos of all the crazy stuff happening out on the roads, and so I wanted to just pick up a dash cam, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. So I found on Amazon, it's this brand called Shishuo. That's Shishuo. It was 37 bucks. I thought it was a great deal. This is kind of what the box looks like. They have several types of cameras. So I'm about to go in here and break down everything that it came with. This is also great if, in particular this, because it comes with a dash cam and a rear view cam. If you are a taxi cab driver, Uber driver, or Lyft driver, you can not only look at the road, but you can also look at your passengers, and it records both. So I thought that was super useful. And in today's, with accidents and everything, insurance companies, that's the first thing they ask. You have footage. So let's break this in. Either way, you could get a great camera for a great price. I'll include the Amazon link below. So what do you get out of the box here? You get, of course, the camera, which is just pretty straightforward. It's a 1080p resolution HD camera. It has HDR, various different settings that you can play with. Has, you can see for a flash here for night mode. The charging button. This is where you plug in the secondary camera. On the bottom is the SD microcard slot, and then all the little controls for it. And then this is where you put in the dash cam window cling here. So here's the window cling. It just sticks to your window. It's fully adjustable to however you need to, make sure it's all centered in view. Comes with two charging options. You have just a USB charger, so if you have a cigarette lighter or something like that, or a USB port, you can plug it in with that. And then it also comes in with a full-blown cigarette lighter charger. So you got multiple charging options. Then it's got these, if you don't want to, this is for the, here, I'll go over here. Here's the secondary camera that I think is cool. So I kind of just attach this, and I'm going to include some link to my blog, which will show you some of the footage, so you can go and check that out and see the quality and kind of show you my setup. So this guy kind of hooked into my visor, and it would look at my back seat, but it's designed really to where you can drape this wire all the way to your back window and look out the back window. So it kind of gives you an options. I didn't really want it on the back window. I more wanted it for looking into the back seat. Now you can, gives you a couple attachment options. If you want to screw this in permanently into your car, you can do that. It also has double-sided sticky tape. And then you get a bag here of cord management, and then a little tool here to peel them off if you so need to. And then last but not least, a simple instruction booklet. So overall, like I said, I've been really happy with the quality. It's definitely for the price. I mean, and the price includes a 16 gigabyte MicroSD card. So for 37 bucks, you can't go wrong. If for some reason, it breaks or heaven forbid, somebody breaks in your car and steals it, it's not the end of the world. I mean, so that was kind of what I was looking at. And also the quality was very impressive for the price. So my only complaints with it, or not really complaints, but maybe suggestions, because I didn't want to drape this all the way to the back, it would be nice if they had some type of attachment here to where you could shorten this cable, because it's a lot of wires, and you can, they kind of created an unplug here, so you could just make it to where it was shorter. That would be kind of cool, but at the end of the day, it's not that necessary. The only other thing is there's this little red wire here, and I have no clue what it actually goes to. Maybe somebody smarter than me can say, hey, it goes to this. But first I thought maybe it had something to do with power, but it gets power just fine through this. So that was that's really the only complaint. I do also recommend, I'm here in Texas, so you don't really want to leave it in your car if you're in a place that gets really hot. I didn't have, like, to test it out, I did leave it in there, and this held great in the 110 degrees that my car easily got up to. The camera got super hot and would not work. Of course, it works once it cooled down. It worked just perfectly fine. So it's not like the heat fried it, but it's not good to leave any electronics in your car. So, like I said, if you are in the market for a dash cam, or it's you want something easy to install that you can make look clean in your car, or if you're an Uber, Lyft, taxi cab driver, or any of these other ride shares, I would totally check out this brand. Very impressed with it. I know there's a lot of dash cams on the market, and I'm sure they will continue to grow. So check out the Shishuo Dash Cam. Like I said, it's on Amazon. I'll include the link below. And until the next time, you guys take it easy. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like my channel. Thanks. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.